Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys more about tags. And HTML tags are basically little keywords that help format and display your web page. They kind of organize it a bit. So in the code, it kind of organizes it in the code. So tags are used for many different functions. There can be paragraph tags, headings, and most tags have two parts, a opening and a closing. So, for example, if I want to do a heading tab, like let's see, an H1, and then now tabs, as you can see, are displayed by angle brackets. So it's like a opening angle bracket, whatever the tag is, and then a closing angle bracket. And then for heading, we put like heading, and then just whatever text you want to put there, and then this is where you close it. So the difference between an opening tab and a closing tag, tag is a slash. So this is open, this is closed. Pretty simple. The slash means closed. You're closing it off. It's very important that you close it off, because if you didn't close this off and you decided to start a new line, it would carry over, or your script wouldn't work, or just something would go wrong. So it's always important to close them off. So there are many different types of tags, and if I create a new file, here, I want to, for example, the HTML tag. This is basically, you're gonna always have this with dealing an HTML script, an HTML script. Sorry, the tag is gonna probably be at the very beginning and at the very end, with basic scripts. So for example, this is kind of the opening up. We have the doc file, and then we have the HTML, something you'd probably see every single time I do a one of these scripting tutorials. Then after that, we most likely have the head, which again you'll see mostly at the beginning of my scripting tutorials. This is what we'd always type out before we begin the lesson. And after that, we do title, which title tags are basically what show up in the little tab. So this right here is the title right here. It'll be whatever is in your title right here will be in that little tab up there. So it can be anything. So I'll just put tab. So and after that, so that's a title tab, a head tab, and an HTML tab, kind of like the opening, especially if it's like a document type. So just if you just wanted to do print, or even some pictures, that's sort of what it would look like. And then after that, there are multiple things you could do: paragraphs, headings, lists, and all sorts of things. A couple key tags. Sorry, I get tabs and tags mixed up a little bit. Tags. Some interesting little key tags that you can keep in mind is division, like this kind of, or divider. It's kind of like it divides, kind of like a space. So it does sort of the same thing as um, a like a break in the code. It kind of separates this out with this, or like in plain text, it would be like let me find it. Plain text. It would be like hi there, and then there's a break right there in line 8, and then you continue sentence over here, as you can see. So that would be kind of like where the break comes in, and division or divider. Geez. Um, so yeah, just two little key tags to uh, think about. There are also these things called meta tags, which are a little bit more complex. They sorry they they're very difficult to explain. They basically connect thing. Sorry. So I'm trying to think of an example. For an example, a meta tag, like a description meta tag, for example. So would basically, like when you look up something on the internet uh, in a search engine, and you find a page, there's a description on the page. Usually, like if I were to look up Amazon, as you can see there, if it shows up across the internet. Okay, here we are. So if I go down here, there's usually a little description. As you can see, this is done by meta tags. But right now, we are not going to get that much into meta tags. That's more later on, complex and a little bit more advanced. So for now, this is basically the basic tags you really need to know when dealing with HTML code. Uh, there's also lists and stuff. If you want to find out more about the variety and different tags that you can use and everything, um, your best friend would be Google. Just Google them, and you'd find a lot of tags and stuff and information about them. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial about tags. Very basic tags, not too advanced. But yeah, just it's kind of just like uh, the base. It's just basic tags. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Um, I'll see you guys next time in our next video. Bye.